Let's take a look at a trigonometric identities question here from Holy Innocence. These might look a bit scary for most students, but I would like you to know that if this can be written, it can be proven, and you just have to have a little bit faith in yourself. Now let's take a look at how we can deal with a question like this one here. We take a look at the left hand side. I have one fraction, but the bad thing is that it is written addition at the denominator side. I can't split the fraction here. Okay, now let's take a look at the right hand side here. I know that this is a subtraction. I can change this and this to reciprocal, and then I can combine the fraction over here. So I will start with the right hand side. Now let me just write right hand side. I'm going to change cosec and sec into cosec, change it into 1 over sine theta, and secant, change it into 1 over cos theta. Now you'll see that I can combine this fraction over here. So I combine it to common denominator, which is sine theta, cos theta. So for the first one here, I'm going to multiply cos theta both up and down. So this one here, I will get cos theta minus the center. And this one here, I multiply both sine theta here. So here I'll get a sine theta. Next, I'm going to analyze a bit on the left-hand side. Because I have this sine theta, cos theta, with these two, I'll get sine 2 theta, which is good because I have this cotangent 2 theta here. I know this one going to be cos 2 theta over sine 2 theta. Now, I do not have this sine theta plus cos theta at the denominator side. So what I will do is that I know I can multiply by a sine theta plus a cos theta. And because it's addition, if I flipped it over with the same, because I want it to match with this one, cos theta minus sine theta. So I'm going to write it the opposite way. First, as cos theta plus sine theta. So I'll write it the same way on the numerator. You will see this is a very useful technique where you have cos theta minus sine theta, cos theta plus sine theta. That will lead me to cos square theta minus sine square theta at the numerator side, which will later lead me to a cos 2 theta. Okay, let's continue here first, where I have the denominator, sine theta, cos theta, and I'm going to retain this one here outside. Alright, so let's look at next. This one here, I can change it to cos 2 theta, and 2 sine theta cos theta is going to be a sine 2 theta. Okay, and for this one here, let's just flip it to this sine theta plus cos theta. Now let's take a look at this one here. I can change it to cos 2 theta. So this is underneath. So my last answer here, I will get cos 2 theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta, which is the left hand side.